Welcome to our channel. If you want to quickly set up Android Auto for a better driving experience, follow these step-by-step instructions to connect your phone to your car's system. Step 1. Check that your car supports Android Auto. Most vehicles from 2016 onwards include this feature in their infotainment systems. Step 2. Download and install Android Auto from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 3. Launch the app and allow all requested permissions such as location, contacts, phone, and microphone access. Step 4. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the infotainment screen. Step 5. Use a quality USB cable to connect your smartphone to your car's USB port. The original phone cable works best. Step 6. Your car display should automatically detect your phone and prompt you to set up Android Auto. Step 7. Follow the brief setup wizard on both your phone and car screen, agreeing to terms and conditions. Step 8. Once connected, Android Auto will launch on your car display. Access maps, music, messages, and calls through the touch screen or voice commands. For wireless connection, check if your car and phone support wireless Android Auto and follow the wireless pairing instructions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.